She's a pansexual, multi-directional artist from LA. Nihilistic, quite linguistic, protests for equal pay. Says girls are hot, but prefers to date boys. Likes video games while eating almond joys. Oh, her life is utopian. Her roommate's Macedonian. She likes old school Nickelodeon. Goes to sleep with Advil PM. Wants to start a family, but doesn't want a baby. Has a friend with blue hair who plays the ukulele. Modern girl. Modern girl. Oh, while thunder has her frightened, she's socially enlightened. And she stays in shape by doing hot yoga every day. Inverse reasoning in salad seasoning. Streamed Barry Manilow's catalog when he came out as gay. Oh, her life is utopian. Her roommate's Macedonian. She likes old school Nickelodeon. Goes to sleep with Advil PM. Has herself a tile to help her find her keys. Says she's lactose intolerant, except for wine and cheese. Modern girl. Says she's gonna save the world, but life can be hard for a modern girl. So many things get in the way, but somehow soon she's gonna have her day. She's a modern girl. She's a don't shop, please adopt. Expert Adobe Photoshop. Doesn't know the great Bambino. Took a course on Tarantino. She's easily annoyed. Just a little. Thinks it's important to emancipate her nipples. Her life is utopian. Her roommate's Macedonian. She likes old school Nickelodeon. Goes to sleep with Advil PM. Works part-time as a Starbucks barista. Says she's an atheist but has a soft spot for Easter. Modern girl. Modern girl. She's a modern girl.